Here we're under an Italian prune plum here. The prune plums are distinguished by their ability to split in half, and the pit easily separates from the flesh. So this was the critical tree on the old homesteads around here, because these neatly compartmentalized plum halves now could be set on a sunny windowsill or on a screen or something, and they will shrivel up and dry into prunes. Then they can be put in a jar and they'll keep at room temperature for a year without any spoilage once dried into prunes. So, and what makes them a good dried fruit is the fact that they get very sweet. So they are not only excellent for drying, but also for fresh eating. An excellent flavor and healthy quality distinguish the Italian prune plums. Italian prune plums are also self-pollinating, so you can get just one tree and you'll get fruit, and it's a very dependable fruit around here, and which is why oftentimes Italian prune plums have outlived the trees have outlived the original homesteads on which they're planted, because they're long-lived, very dependable trees.